Hi everybody. Today we are going to see a Python program to implement multiple line plots in a single plot. In one of the earlier video, we had a look at how to plot a line plot, single line plot. So now we are trying to plot more than one line plot in a single plot itself. So how we are going to do it in Matplotlib. Apart from that, apart from it, so as there are more than one line plot, you need to differentiate between the two line plots. How you are going to differentiate? The way you can differentiate is by means of the color and by means of the line style, by means of that labeling. So how you are going to color, or how you are going to customize different with the different colors of your interest, how you are going to change the different line styles. There are four different line styles. So this is dashed, double dashed, dashed dotted, and dotted. So we can you customize according to your interest. So and then what is the label you're going to give to your line plot, so that it will be very informative to understand this particular line plot is a sine wave, or this particular line plot is a cos, or this is a curve one, this is curve two, whatever label you're trying to give. So I'm just for that. Anyhow, for a line plot you need an x and y axis. So before that we just need to import matplotlib and pyplot, and this is a numpy. This is how. So I need a x and y axis. This is x, I gave 1 to 10 values. Y1 I used the trigonometric functions. So the trigonometric functions are available in our NumPy library. That is why I gave np.sin of x. Similarly, I want the second line chart. So cos x. So this is my first line plot, and this is my second line plot. Okay. Y1 is equal to sine of x, y2 equal to second line plot. So how you are going to first plot it? So plotting is just a simple thing. We are just try we'll just line chart, we'll be plotting it by means of plot function. So plt dot plot. So you need to give an x and y. So this is your x and y is y1. Plt dot plot. Let us plot the second one also. X comma y2. So then we'll go plt dot show. So then we'll run it. We are not customizing it with any color. We are not giving it any label. We are not giving any different lines. We'll just look at it how it appears now. Then we'll just quickly jump into how we can customize it and how we will show it more with more information within the plot itself. So if you have a look at here, these are the two line plots. So this orange one is the first line plot, maybe first or second. I think the orange one is the first or second, blue is the first or second. So we are not pretty clear about the what is the first one, what is the second one, right? You have some x-axis which is varying from 0 to 10, and you have your y-axis varying from -1 to 1. That's what is a bit informative. Apart from that, we are not pretty clear about what color curve or what color line chart is representing what. So in order to differentiate that, you can use something like label. So let us give a label equal to. So our first is we gave it as a y1. With the y1 axis, we are trying to give a sine curve, right? So I'm just giving a sine curve. Put it in double quotes. Okay. And this is cos curve. So then there is something called as legend. So this is the most frequently asked question when it comes to matplotlib questions in interviews. So the legend is nothing but it is an area which will describe each and every element in the plot or graph, whatever it is. So in this in this plot particularly, when you add upon the legend function, it will say you that this orange belongs to, assume this orange is a sine curve. It will say orange is sine curve and blue is a cos curve. This will be somewhere here displayed here. So we'll just have a look how this legend is also working. So now this is your legend. So this legend will describe you every element. So there are two elements in this plot. There are two line charts. The first line chart with blue color is a sine curve. The second line chart with the orange curve color is a cos curve. So this is how your legend is trying to, what actually your legend does is it will describe, it is an area that describes every element in the plot. Okay, so this will describe every element. There are two elements here, the two got described or displayed here clearly. And also, as I said, you can also customize the line style here. So how we are going to do, within the plot function itself there is something called line style. So within the line style I'll just give a hyphen. Hyphen is nothing but a dashed, I think. So let us just run it. Yeah. So when I give a semicolon, that is dotted one, this is how you got your sine curve. I customized this to this. And cos curve, let us change to another line style instead of just a line chart. Line style equal to, so dash it dotted, just to give a different look. So now this is your cos curve, orange one, dash it dotted, and this is your dotted curve. So this is how we are going to customize the line style. And as usual, if you have a look at your previous plots, if you are aware of previous plots and all like bar chart and pie chart and all this line chart or scatter plot and all, there is a function called color where you can customize. Sorry, there is a parameter called color which you will be calling within this functions itself. So comma color equal to, let me give a red R. So for cos, I'm trying to give a color G in short for green, just to make you familiar with all the parameters and functions. So now if you have a look at here, so sine curve, red color which is in dotted form. So sine curve which is in red color, it is in dotted form. And y2 is our cos curve, so I just named it as cos curve, and this is double dashed, sorry, dashed dotted, and this is in green color. So this is how you can plot multiple line charts. It's not about only the two line plots in a single plot. You can also give the third one. So let us give a third one. If you want, I'll just mention a y3 equal to something like np dot tan of x, and then we need to plot it right in the similar way to this. So I'm just giving y3. I'll just give one more color, like let us go with RGB B. So the line style, I'll just give a double hyphen. This is a tan curve. Let us run it. Yeah. So the sign is in red color, cos is in green color, tan is in blue color. Okay. So this is how your tan curve appeared according to the line style. So sine curve is red, which is just a dotted one. Cos curve is in green color. This is nothing but dashed dotted. I just gave a hyphen and dot. And tan curve is nothing but a dashed one. So this is how you got it. So these are, this is the way you're trying, you can plot multiple line plots in a single plot in matplotlib. So you can customize its label, you can customize the line style, you can customize the color according to the problem statement or according to your interest. For more programs, please subscribe to Python Enthusiast. Thank you.